Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss Company Accounts, Accounting for Share Capital, Chapter 8, Class 12th, Accountancy. Here we'll discuss about the oversubscription of share, issue of share for cash, and it is oversubscription of share. So first of all, what is oversubscription of shares? Shares are said to be oversubscribed when the number of share applied is more than the number of share offered for subscription. So it means when company is issuing suppose 10,000 shares and received 15,000 application. So this is a situation of oversubscription. Here it is to be noted that a company cannot allot more than the number of shares offered for subscription. In the case of oversubscription, shares can be allotted by the company by any of the following three alternatives. So students, suppose a company is issuing 10,000 shares and received 15,000 applications. So company can issue only 10,000 shares. Company cannot issue 15,000 shares. So company has three options. First alternative, rejection of excess application money. So in my example, company can reject the 5,000 shares and the money can be refunded back to them. Second is shares can be allotted on partial or pro rata basis. Thirdly, the combination of however two, like some shares can be rejected and some can be issued on pro rata basis. Now see the example. In this question, Guru Limited is invited for 5,000 equity share. Face value is 10, premium value is 5. That means face value 10, market value 15. Because of the favorable condition, issue was oversubscribed and the company received 15,000 applications. Suggest the alternative available to the board of director for allotment of shares. So as we discussed earlier in the previous slide, company has three alternate. Number one is excess application may be rejected and shares may be allotted to the remaining applicants in full. Second, shares may be allotted to all the applicants on pro rata basis. Third, some applications may be rejected, some applications may be allotted in full, and shares may be allotted on pro rata basis to the remaining applicants. Now see this flow chart. In case of oversubscription, when the money is received, we'll make the journal entry bank account debit to share application account for the shares applied by the public. Then next entry will be share application account debit to share capital account for the number of issued shares. And the excess application money either will be refunded or will be adjusted. If it is refunded, journal entry will be share application account debit to bank account. If it is adjusted in the next calls, journal entry will be share application account debit to share allotment account, 2 calls in advance account. Or there may be the combination of two. Some are refunded and some are adjusted. So in that case, we'll make a combined entry, and combined entry will be share application account debit to share capital account, to bank account, to share allotment account, and 2 calls in advance account for the various calls. Now see the next question. In this question, Good Company Limited is inviting application for 1 lakh share. Face value is 10. 3 on application, 3 on allotment, balance when required. Here this is not clear. The balance of rupees 4 will be called only on first call or second call, which way this will be required. So company received 1,20,000 application. Application were accepted for 1 lakh and the remaining are rejected. Here students, company is receiving 1 lakh share. Applications are 1,20,000 received by the company. 1 lakh are accepted and others are rejected. That means the money for 20,000 share will be returned back to the subscribers. Allotment money is received on 19,500 shares. That means out of 1 lakh, On 500 shares, allotment money is not received. So first of all, because company is receiving money on 1,20,000 share at the rate of rupees 3. So first entry will be bank account debit to share application account 3,60,000. Then share application account debit 3,60,000 to share capital account 1 lakh share into 3, only the issued share by the company, and 20,000 shares at the rate of 3 will be returned back. So share capital account 3 lakh to bank account 60,000. Then we'll make the next entry for the amount due for allotment. Journal entry will be share allotment account debit to share capital account, number of share 1 lakh into 3. This will be 3 lakh. So company is receiving allotment only on 19,500 share. So that means allotment is not received on 500 shares. So journal entry will be bank account debit 2,98,500. This amount will be 99,500 into 3. And calls in area account debit 1,500 on 500 into 3. And to share allotment account 3 lakh. Now next example is a company is issuing 1 lakh equity share of rupees 50 each. Money is payable 10 on application, 15 on allotment, 15 on first call and 10 on second call. Here are 3 different cases, case A, case B, case C. And we'll learn to make the journal entry in 3 different cases. First case, allotment 1 lakh share in full to select applicants and application for remaining 3 lakh shares were rejected. So journal entry will be bank account debit to equity share application account 40 lakh, 1 lakh, 4 lakh into 10. Then equity share application account debit 40 lakh, to share capital account 10 lakh and to bank 30 lakh because 3 lakh shares are refunded by the company. Then allotment due will be on 1 lakh share at the rate of 15. This will be 15 lakh. Entry will be equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. Then amount will be received bank account debit to equity share allotment account 15 lakh. Then first call will be due equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account 15 lakh. Then money will be received bank account debit to equity share first call account 15 lakh. And then second call will be due by the company equity share second and final call account debit to equity share capital account on 1 lakh share at the rate of 10. This will be 10 lakh. Then bank account debit to equity share second and final call account 10 lakh. So this way in case 1 we'll make the journal entries. Now case B. Case B is, see here, pro rata allotment of 25% of share applied to every applicant to apply the balance of application money towards amount due on allotment and to refund the balance amount. Again I am repeating students. Here applied shares are 4 lakh, allotted are 1 lakh. So the ratio will be 4:1. That means here pro rata allotment is made to 25% of the shares. Means suppose a person is applying for 4 shares, the person will get only 1 share. And surplus money will be adjusted in allotment, and if after that also the remaining money is there, that will be refunded. So the journal entry in this case will be first bank account debit to equity share application account 40 lakh on 4 lakh share at the rate of 10. Then share application account debit 40 lakh to equity share capital account 10 lakh on 1 lakh share at the rate of 10, to equity share allotment account 15 lakh and to bank account 15 lakh. Because the question states that surplus money will be adjusted only up to allotment, not for further calls. So that money will be refunded here. Then allotment will be due equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account 15 lakh. 15 lakh already is received in the second entry. So this is allotment due, but we will not make the entry for the allotment received because it is received here. And then like in case A, further the first call and the second call journal entries will be same as in case of A. Now case C. C is rejection application for 2 lakh share. 2 lakh shares are totally rejected. 80,000 are allotted on full applications, and make the pro rata allotment of 20,000 share. So students, see, 2,000 shares are allotted no shares, 80,000 are allotted 80,000, and rest 1,20,000 shares are allotted 20,000 shares only. It is a ratio of 6:1, and their excess money will be adjusted towards allotment also and the calls also. So accounting treatment in this case will be like this: bank account debit to equity share application account 40 lakh, equity share application account debit 40 lakh to equity share capital account 10 lakh, to share allotment account on 20,000 share at the rate of 15 3 lakh. Calls in advance. This calls in advance receive first call and second call both. 15 for the first call and rupees 10 for the second call. So 20,000 into 25 will become 5 lakh, and the rest 22 lakh will be refunded. So our journal entry will be to bank account 22 lakh. Then allotment is due. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account 15 lakh. Allotment is due with 15 lakh, but 3 lakh is already received. So now the company will receive 12 lakh at the time of allotment, and journal entry will be bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Then first call will be due, equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. And since here 5 lakh is received in advance, 3 lakh for first call and 2 lakh for second call. So our next entry will be bank account debit 12 lakh, calls in advance account debit 3 lakh to equity share first call account 15 lakh. Then second and final call will be due. Share second and final call account debit 10 lakh to equity share capital account 10 lakh. 2 lakh is already received. So now journal entry will be bank account debit to 8 lakh, calls in advance account debit 2 lakh to equity share second and final call account 10 lakh. So see how this 22 lakh is refunded. See the working note. Total on 4 lakh share at the rate of 10, 40 lakh is received. Out of this, 10 lakh is transferred to share capital account for share application, and on 20,000 share at the rate of 15, 3 lakh is transferred to allotment account, and on 20,000 share at the rate of 25, 15 for first call and 10 for second call. This is transferred in calls in advance account. Total is 8 lakh. 8 lakh is deducted from 30 lakh. This 22 lakh is refunded to the shareholders. Now next is, here is another question. To provide employment to the youth and the development, Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir Jyoti Power Limited decided to set up a power plant. For raising fund for the company, decide to issue 8,50,000 share at the rate of 10, each at a premium of 3. Here, this company is issuing 8,50,000 shares. Face value is 10, market value is 13, which includes rupees 3 as premium. The whole amount is payable on application. Here the amount is payable lump sum at the time of application. Applications are received 20 lakh. Out of this, 3 lakhs are rejected, and the remaining are allotted on pro rata basis. So student, here company is receiving money on 20 lakh shares at the rate of 13. So journal entry will be bank account debit 2 crore 60 lakh to equity share application and allotment account 2 crore 60 lakh. Now next entry will be equity share application and allotment account debit 2 lakh 60,000 to equity share capital account on 8,50,000 share at the rate of 10 85 lakh, to security premium reserve account on 8,50,000 share at the rate of rupees 3. This will be 25,50,000, and the rest will be refunded. on 11,50,000 share at the rate of 13. This is 1,49,50,000. Now next is, here is the another example. Kirloskar Limited issued 20,000 equity share of rupees 10 each, 4 on application, 3 on allotment, 3 on first and final call. So total will become 4 plus 3 plus 3, 10 rupees. Applications were received for 25,000 shares. Company decided to allot 20,000 shares on pro rata basis, and the surplus money will be utilized for allotment money due. So that means, students, here company is issuing 20,000 share and receiving application for 25,000 shares, and the money surplus money will be adjusted in allotment. So its accounting treatment will be bank account debit to share application account 1 lakh, share application account debit 1 lakh to share capital account 80,000, and the surplus will be transferred in allotment 20,000. Then allotment will be due by 60,000, share allotment account debit to share capital account, and 20,000 is already received. So out of this 60,000, this 20,000 will be deducted and allotment will receive by 40,000. So bank account debit to share allotment account. Now next is share first and final call account debit 60,000 to share capital account 60,000, and then bank account debit to share first and final call account 60,000. Now company is receiving money on 20,000 share at the rate of 10. That means 2 lakh for share capital, and we have to show the share capital in the balance sheet. So in the balance sheet, first we'll write the side, name of the side, equity and liability. Then we'll write the head, shareholder fund. Then we'll write the subhead, share capital. Beta, here we'll write 1 in note number and total will be 2 lakh. Authorized capital will be dash, since it is not given in the question. What is the authorized capital? Issued capital is 2 lakh on 20,000 share at the rate of 10. Subscribed capital will be subscribed and fully paid up, because the whole money is called up and the paid up also by the shareholder. So we'll write subscribed and fully paid up 20,000 equity share of rupees 10 each. This will become 2 lakh. Now next is C. Total allotment is due 60,000. 20,000 is already received at the time of application. At the time of allotment, company will receive 40,000 rupees. Now next question. Preeti and Company Limited registered with an authorized capital of rupees 10 lakh. Number of share are 1 lakh. Face value is 10. So authorized capital is 10 lakh rupees. Company offered 60,000 share. That means issued capital is 6 lakh. On which amount is payable 3 on application, 3 on allotment, and the balance when required. It is not given. Either this will be received at the time of first call or first call and second call. Total applications are received 92,000. Issued 60, applied 92. So 40,000 shares are allotted full. That means applied 40,000, allotted also 40,000. 50,000 shares are allotted only 40%. That means applied 50,000 and allotted only 20,000. Application for 2,000 share is nil. So that means applied 2,000, allotted nil. So total of applied will become 92,000 and total of allotted share will become 60,000. And only 84,000 rupees is received at the time of allotment, excluding amount carried from application money. So the solution of this question will be, company is receiving money on 92,000 at the rate of 3. So bank account debit to share application account 2,76,000. So when this money will be transferred, share application account debit 2,76,000 to share capital account 60,000 into 3, 1,80,000. to bank account, 2000 into 3 will become 6000 and 10,000 into 3 will become 30,000. So 36,000 will be refunded to the shareholder and to share allotment account 60,000. Then allotment will be due by 1,80,000, 60,000 share at the rate of 3. Share allotment account debit to share capital account 1,80,000. So because only 84,000 is received at the time of allotment, allotment is due by 1,80,000. Out of this 60,000 is already received. It means now company should receive 1,20,000, but company is receiving only 84,000. That means 36,000 is the error. So our journal entry will be bank account debit 84,000, calls in arrear account debit 36,000 to share allotment account 1,20,000. So this way we'll frame this question. See the working note. 50,000 share at the rate of 3, companies receiving 1,20,000. Out of this 40% allotment is done. So on 20,000 share at the rate of 3, 60,000 is transferred to share application to share capital account on behalf of share application. Remaining is 90,000. Then on 30,000 share at the rate of 3, this amount is receivable 60,000. So excess money to be refunded is 30,000. So student, this way will solve this question. Another is at the time of allotment, total allotment is due by 1,80,000. 60,000 is already received at the time of application. Now company should receive 1,20,000. Out of this only 84,000 is received given in the numerical. So now calls in arrear is 36,000 and the number of shares are 12,000. So thank you students. Now your home assignment is, first of all you will revise the class notes, then define what is oversubscription of shares and what are the 3 alternative, and from your TS Grewal chapter 8 book 2, please try question number 14 to question number 21. Thank you so much again.